All right, steering wheel is installed. Check this out. Okay, we got the white door handles. Okay, we got the white interior, the white. Is that a white steering wheel? White airbag? What's up, guys? It's your boy John. Today we're taking a look at the Tesla Hansshow Model XS kind of steering wheel for the Model Y. Now, what's really cool about this is, as you can see here, it has its own trim pieces. Mine also came with its own buttons, lighting, heated steering wheel, and the center airbag. So, not the airbag, it's just like the airbag lid and not the airbag itself. You're gonna be reusing that. And I can show you what it looks like underneath. So, pretty easy to pop off the original one and then take that off. It was also packaged with an extra little tool so you can help pop it out. But yeah, this is should be a very straightforward install, about just one bolt, and everything will come off, so stay tuned. All right, so we're gonna use the tools with something like this. There's some two small Phillips, or in my case, they're a little hex. And there's gonna be two little holes on the steering wheels, one each side. You put it in here, and you put it in here, and then you kind of feel it around so you feel like metal clips, and then you push it like this. After that, this will pop out. And I'll be able to show you what those things are poking at a little bit better since it's off. If you can kind of see the screwdriver right here. So you want to be hitting this metal little clip on both sides. You can do it one at a time. So my advice is usually you want to come in at this angle, but you actually want to pull it a little bit, so that way you can hit this metal bracket both sides. So pop one each side and you're pretty much good to go here. Next thing you want to do is you can turn it off. So software, safety, just turn off please, power off, just to be a little bit safer. And you want to unplug both of these plugs and then remove this middle one right here. All right, for me to remove the plug, I actually had to use a needle nose, and I'm just going to show you an example like this. I attacked it like that. So I grabbed both at the same time, little two notches, and pulled straight out. Now, after that, we're gonna need something to remove this. So I got this huge torque wrench. You can use something else if you want. I believe this is torqued to 42 foot-pounds, but I can double check when I reinstall it. So I just like to put my, yep, and that's it. Got it off pretty easy. Now you want to smack the wheel a little bit. Be careful, and here you go. Now the great thing about the Tesla Hansshow kit is it includes everything already. So here's just a quick comparison of the two. See if I can get it all in one frame. Massively different. Let's see if I can get it overlaid. Way wider. Not way wide, but a quick couple inches wider. So that is going to be interesting. We can put this bad boy in now. Woo! Look at that. Oh shoot. Alright, I'm going to transfer these buttons over. These are the old ones, or the one I included with it. I'm going to actually put in the original ones. So I'm just going to remove these screws and pop it all out. Also with these, I have these clips I need to remove to push it out. you just hit these clips, push it out. I kind of just use the flathead or this tool to kind of pry the clips, and that will pop out these little retaining clips. That way I can have access to the actual screws. Too small. Alright, so I mounted everything over, even this box. This is for the heated. I don't know if you can see that. There's the little blue wire coming out of it. So I have it kind of sitting like this. And yeah, just reassemble everything backwards. And should be good. Alright, so we get the OEM bag right here. It's just held by these little clips on the side. And you can just pry it open, then slip the new one in. Yep, I am still prying. I think I'm making some progress. There you go. After 10-15 minutes of struggling, I'll put back the new one. Alright, we're back in the car. Test fit it. Working great. It looks good. Yeah, just torquing this down to 80 newtons. Alright. Alright, steering wheel is installed. Check this out. Okay, we got the white door handles. Okay, we got the white interior, the white... Is that a white steering wheel? White airbags? Yo! And it's so white it makes the screen look kind of yellow, even though it's not. So you already know the screen is definitely not yellow, but because this thing is so icy white, it looks good. Love the design, looks good, fitment's amazing, horn works, and yeah, all this works too. Woo! Amazing, amazing. Got that little camera right there if you guys were interested in the Hansshow front camera, because you can kind of see, comes in handy to see the front lip. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you guys were interested in this product, of course, I'll leave a link down below. Use my product code, John, and yeah, you'll get that discount. Sweet. Alright, steering wheel is installed. Check this out. Okay, we got the white door handles. Okay, we got the white interior, the white... Is that a white steering wheel? White airbags? Yo!